Now that's a demo of my transcription of Megalovania. If you'd like, you can pick up that transcription for alto saxophone, flute, clarinet, oboe, bassoon, piano, alto sax, soprano sax, tenor sax, bari sax, trumpet, trombone, tuba, horn-and-F, euphonium, violin, viola, and cello. Now you can find that in all those different instruments in the original key, the easy key of C, and a good range for the instrument. So if you're interested in supporting my channel and would like the sheet music, go ahead, check those links out and pick one out. Alrighty, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.